Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, how to create a direct download link using Google Drive. This method is very useful if you want to share files or folders with others and allow them to download the content easily. To get started, open Google and go to Google Drive from the Google Apps menu in the top right corner. Once Drive opens, upload the file you want to share by clicking on New and selecting File Upload, or choose New Folder if you want to upload and share multiple files together. Give the folder a name, open it from My Drive, and upload your files. You can either use the upload option or simply drag and drop files directly into the folder. After the upload is complete, right-click on the file or folder you want to share, click Share, then open the sharing settings and change the access from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Finally, click Copy Link, and now anyone with that link can open and download the files directly. That's it. You've successfully created a direct download link using Google Drive. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.